Hey everyone, we've got a new application and process that we're rolling out for you all. I just wanted to show you through this. This is a new tool in our security stack called Threatlocker. This is going to basically help us improve the security posture of the business and kind of streamline the approval and request process for installing new applications on your computer. So we've already pushed this out. It should be on most of your machines already. This is Threatlocker here down in the toolbar area. And what this is currently doing is it's not really acting in any way yet other than just learning the environment. It's making a list of applications that you guys use regularly and basically adding those apps to a trusted list. Once we go to what's called secure mode here in about a week, it's actually at that point anything going forward is going to have to go through a app approval process to install. And that's a good thing because if someone ever clicks on a malware in an email or tries to install something that doesn't belong on the business machine, it's going to require explicit action to approve that to go through. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. I've just got an example here. Let's say you got a Jabra Bluetooth headset for your for your computer to make calls through. You're going to need the Jabra app that they give you to kind of modify the settings for that. So I've downloaded that app here, just whatever app it is that you want to use. We're going to, you can see I got a few here that I've been testing with. So when you go to try and install that app, we've got a pop-up here saying we don't have appropriate permissions to access. And we can close that. We've got a second box here. This is Threatlocker saying that we need to request access to install that application. So that's going to happen whether it's an app that we want to install or some malware we accidentally clicked on or whatever it is. So if we do request access here, we now have the opportunity to kind of give a business justification, explanation of what that software is. This is for my new headset. My manager Todd has approved the installation. Okay, so send request, that's going to send that over to us. It's going to open a ticket with us, and we will go into the back end, just make sure the app looks like it's good to go, and then approve that for installation. So I'm going to do that now. We'll see what that looks like when it's done. Okay, so I have approved that on the Threatlocker backend, and now we see we've got a new pop-up here that says that that's been approved, and if we click here, it will continue with the installation. These installers generally will kind of walk you through how to do them, but if you ever need help getting something installed, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help with that. Otherwise, it shouldn't interrupt you anymore for that application. Depending on what the app is, we'll generally just, when you send these requests in, we'll generally just approve them for the whole organization. That way, if everybody got Jabra headsets, when they go to install the software, there's not going to be any issue. That's already been learned as a trusted app. So just make sure this is working as expected. And looks good. So that's pretty much it. As I mentioned, this should go into secured mode, active mode here in about a week. So once that happens, feel free to reach out. Let me know if you have any questions, if you notice any issues. But otherwise, this should kind of make everything a little more secure and a little easier to get new apps through the install process. So talk to you soon. Thanks.